Welcome to Knowledge Builder. Let's get educated. Today's videos is about e-commerce marketing in Pakistan. The e-commerce market in Pakistan. Pakistan is the 37th largest market for e-commerce with a revenue of $6 billion in 2021, placing it ahead of Iran and behind Israel. With an increase of 45%, the Pakistani e-commerce market contributed to the worldwide growth rate of 29% in 2021. Revenues for e-commerce continue to increase. New markets are emerging, and existing markets also have the potential for further development. Global growth will continue over the next few years. This will be propelled by East and Southeast Asia, with their expanding middle class and lagging offline shopping infrastructure. The e-commerce market includes online sales of physical goods to a private end user, B2C. Included in this definition are purchases via computer as well as mobile purchases via smartphones and tablets. Excluded from the definition of e-commerce are the following: digitally distributed services, e.g., travel tickets, online stores dedicated to digital media downloads or streams, online stores dedicated to B2B markets, and sales between private individuals, C2C, within the e-commerce market. Market size and growth rate. Market expansion in Pakistan is expected to continue over the next few years, as indicated by the Statista Digital Market Outlook. It has been predicted that the compound annual growth rate, CAGR 21 to 25, for the next 4 years will be 7%. Compared to the year-over-year growth of 45%, this decrease suggests a moderately flooded market. Another indicator of market saturation is the online penetration of 19% in Pakistan. In other words, 19% of the Pakistani population have bought at least one product online in 2021. 5 categories are considered by e-commerce. Fashion is the largest segment in Pakistan and accounts for 70% of the e-commerce revenue in Pakistan. This is followed by electronics and media with 12%, food and personal care with 11%, toys, hobby and DIY with 4%, and furniture and appliances with the remaining 4%. Top online stores. The biggest player in the Pakistani e-commerce market is Limelight.pk. The store had a revenue of $50 million in 2021. It is followed by GhulamedShop.com with $48 million revenue and Khaadi.com with $29 million revenue. Store rankings are based on every store that generates revenue in Pakistan. These stores can either have a national focus and only sell in their main country or operate on a global scale. For this evaluation, only revenue created in Pakistan was considered. One of the fastest growing stores in the Pakistani market is Bagalery.com. The store achieved sales of about $0.1 million in 2021. Its revenue growth amounted to 250% in the previous year. If you like the video, press the bell icon and subscribe.